Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Realtek HD audio front panel jack not working in Windows 10. Open Realtek HD audio control panel. Click Connector Settings. Check Disable Front Panel Jack Detection. Click OK. Front left and right speaks are connected. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.